Hi guys, welcome to Honest SR, where you get unbiased, straightforward reviews of products without any financial support by anyone else. Hey, today I'm going to bring you the unboxing of my Apple Watch Series 5. It's in aluminum and it's a gold color aluminum or aluminium, depends on how you want to pronounce it. So first of all, I wanted to try out the new sports loop. I've never had one. I think I've used it a few times, but I've never actually owned it. This one's in a blue color. So straight off you'll notice there's no covering on the the plastic seal around the Apple Watch box. And the reasoning for that is they've got Apple Watch Studio now where you can mix and match, and when you do that on the day when you arrive there at the Apple Watch, they actually put that together in the back and package it and bring it out. That's the reasoning. So they're actually individually sealed though. As you can see, I'm opening the Apple Watch itself. So here we go. That's the Apple Watch sitting in a nice little case, and that's the same case that the stainless steel comes in as well. Now that's really cool. As soon as you take it out, I don't know if my finger pressed on it on the power button to turn it on, but it turned on, so that was pretty cool. I think it pressed the power button. That's just on how to pair it up with your Apple Watch and the warranty paperwork. Okay, that's the wire, the wireless charger, and the charging base. Now you guys will notice that there's not much of a difference in the Apple Watch Series 4 and 5. They look exactly the same, and to be honest, it's exactly the same inside as well. There are no differences in the processor and the RAMs and things like that. The only thing they've improved on is the storage capacity, which goes from 16 gigs to 32 gigs. I've got Series 4 as well in stainless steel, and it's basically sitting empty. I haven't used any of that storage. Alright guys, that's it from me for today. Let me know what you think about my video in the comments, and if you want to support my work and you like to see more videos, please do subscribe and give me thumbs up. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.